In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely remove Bitdefender Total Security and Internet Security. So, if you're ready to reclaim some space on your computer, or simply switch to a different antivirus program, follow along with these straightforward steps. The first thing you're going to want to do is head over to the settings on your PC. You can easily access it by clicking on the Start menu and then selecting the gear icon, typically labeled as Settings. Once you're there, look for the section titled Apps. This is your go-to place for managing all the programs installed on your device. With the Apps section open, you will be directed to Apps and Features. This option allows you to view a comprehensive list of everything you've got installed on your device. Now, you're going to want to scroll through this list. Depending on how many applications you have, this might take a moment. What you're looking for is Bitdefender. If you have both Total Security and Internet Security, you might find them listed separately. Keep scrolling until you find any or both of these items. It can be helpful to use the search bar located at the top of the list to quickly locate Bitdefender by typing its name there. This is especially handy if your list is particularly extensive. Once you've located Bitdefender in your list of apps, click on it. You should see a button that says Uninstall. Go ahead and click this button. You may be prompted to confirm your decision or enter an administrator password. This is a security measure to ensure that no software is removed unintentionally. By confirming the uninstallation, the process will begin, and you'll start to see Bitdefender being removed from your system. It's important to follow any on-screen instructions that may appear during this uninstallation process. Sometimes, additional components, like leftover files or registry entries, need confirmation to be removed completely. It's always a good habit to restart your computer once Bitdefender has been fully uninstalled. This step helps in ensuring that all components are entirely cleared from your system. And there you have it. You've successfully removed Bitdefender Total Security and Internet Security from your computer. This process can free up space and potentially speed up your device, preparing it for the next antivirus software you might choose to install. If you ever want to reinstall Bitdefender in the future, you can always download it again from the official Bitdefender website and follow their setup instructions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help out.